Painted on the sky, misty taste of moonshine, teardrops in my eye, country road. We are at 93 degrees outside. It feels like 101, and the humidity is lower than 50% humidity. Our indoor temperature is 73 degrees with 46% of humidity at 5:05 p.m. Has some clouds and sun and showing some indication of tidbits of rain up here locally, and we have no wind blowing, and our barometric pressure is fallen to 29.80. On a hot or cold day and you're looking for something to eat, come by your supermarket and get some cock flavored soup mix. You can add it to any soups. It tastes good. For all those of you that love a good grill and good barbecue, come to your local market and pick up some gospel all-purpose rub and have a good moment.